The electromagnetic wave fields. Interactive calculator solves electromagnetic field relationships and wave propagation parameters for engineering applications. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. Options include electric and magnetic fields from power density from electric field, wavelength and frequency conversion, wave impedance and field ratio, pointing vector and energy flux, and far field radiation from antenna power. For this demonstration, I've selected electric and magnetic fields from power density. The input fields are power density in watts per square meter, electric field in volts per meter, magnetic field in amperes per meter, frequency in hertz, wavelength in meters, relative permittivity R, relative permeability m, antenna power in watts, distance from antenna in meters, and antenna gain in dBi. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 watts per square meter for power density, keeping the relative parameters at their default value of 1. After clicking Calculate, the results show an electric field of 61.3784 volts per meter and a magnetic field of 0.162924 amperes per meter. These values represent the field strengths corresponding to the specified power density in the electromagnetic wave. This calculator streamlines complex electromagnetic calculations for antenna design and field analysis. Find the link in the description below.